The elegant cat lives in luxury while humans bow down and serve her every single need. Welcome to a world turned upside down where animals rule and humans obey. The mighty lion now sits as king, ruling over humans like his kingdom's slaves. The gorilla stands tall as the general of the army. In the banks, monkeys sit as bankers, stamping peanuts as currency and handing them out to humans. The horse, once trained by mankind, now trains humans, teaching them how to behave, how to follow rules. The loyal dog works as security, sniffing and checking humans at every step. This is the rise of the animals.